watch Lifestyle Thrills?
I can watch it.
Great, thank you so much.
Hello and welcome back to Lifestyle Thrills. Today we are in the beautiful city of Oslo and we have one day to tell you what are the places that you can visit in this beautiful city. So we're actually taking a bus today and visiting the entire city. So stay tuned and keep watching. We are now at the bus stop getting ready to get in the bus, which is number 70 and it's almost here. But this is a very beautiful bus stop with the entire map of the city so you can follow the route. We downloaded the Router app and bought a day trip ticket which cost us around 117 NOK, 12 USD. Besides that, it's a beautiful sightseeing and city view, so it's quite a nice view when you're taking the public transport here.
Every day is an endless stream of cigarettes and magazines. Each town looks the same to me, the movies in a factory. Every stranger's face so say reminds me that I long to be homebound. We shall
The Vikings Museum, which is now another 20 minutes from the center. So we got off at the center, changed the bus and going to the museum.
Wow.
So this is the Norwegian Bunad.
So every dress is different. This is from Vestfold in Norway. So every city has like, every part has like a different dress.
Handwork or?
Yeah, it is. My grandmother sewed it.
It's really amazing. Thank you so much.
We are outside the Viking Museum and it seems that it is under construction and will be shut till 2026. So unfortunately we can't visit it for the next few years. But otherwise the time of the Vikings was from around 750 to 1050 AD. They were outstanding shipbuilders and this museum houses a lot of those ships from that time. So if you are interested in Vikings, this is one stop you should come, but unfortunately not until 2025. There are other museums that you can visit, and this is the Kontiki Museum, the Fram Museum, the Maritime Museum. So there are plenty of other museums that you can visit here as well.
Hey! Oh my god! My Bahrain colleague. I met my friend in the bus with his family. He's from UK and we worked 15 years ago in Bahrain. What a coincidence that we meet over here in Norway, in Oslo. And he saw and he recognized me holding the gimbal. So it's really nice to meet Riju and his family.
tell you that I love you.
This is the next spot, which is the Vigeland Park. This park has more than 200 unique sculptures which was built somewhere from 1800s to the 1900s. So let's get in and see the beautiful park.
Oh, yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama.
When you enter this park, you will be slightly shocked by looking at the number of nude statues, but after some time, the awkwardness fades away.
I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I know.
Saree love in Oslo. My Saree is from Gujarat.
Gujarat.
So I'm wearing Gujarat Gujarati style. Mine is Kanchivaram, and we try to like do it a little bit hip. So,
Yeah, I like your jacket.
There's a whole group dancing over there.
Yeah, we are going there.
Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.
Oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it out. Yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside. Yeah. That really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah.
Generally, it's been a windy day today, but the Opera House is 2 minutes walk. The Opera House is about 3 years old, and it's quite huge. It's about 530,000 square feet.
You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you. And love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone.
The entry to the Opera House is free, and there are a lot of shows going on. There's a huge theatre which you can then buy separate tickets and go for it. Then there's a restaurant out here as well. So it's a pretty huge place. Now we'll take you to the next spot. Let's go.
Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really.
This is the Karl's Johan Gata, which is Karl's Johan Street. A very, very busy street out in Oslo with a lot of beautiful structures, good brands and shops that are lined up here. So it's a good place to do your shopping as well. Let's go.
So after all the running, it's so amazing. Are you the royal guard?
Yes.
And is the king and queen inside?
We can't answer that.
Oh wow. Okay, great. But it's amazing. Do you have a parade or something?
It's the parade uniform.
Oh. Yeah, it's a YouTube channel called as Lifestyle Thrills. Lifestyle Thrills.
Lifestyle?
Thrills.
Truls?
Yes. Say I'll watch Lifestyle Thrills.
I can watch it.
Great, thank you so much. That is. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.
Now we finished our long walk from Karl's Johan's Gatan all the way till the palace. It took us around 2 hours. Footage that Simpson got with the royal guard, which is very, very rare. Now our final destination is the cruise that we're going to take in a while. So follow us. Behind me is the Oslo City Hall, where the Nobel Peace Prize is awarded. The Peace Prize is the only prize that is given in Norway. All the other Nobel Prizes are given in Sweden. And right ahead of me is the cruise which we're going to take. Day today, starting from around 10 in the morning, and it's 8:30 now. The sun is still shining very bright, but this wonderful trip was planned by Simpson's cousin Movin and his wife Vanita, and they did a wonderful job in planning the itinerary.
If you want to cover Oslo in one day, follow the schedule. You will have a lot of fun. Very easy to go, free access, and it's a beautiful city. So,
Like, share, subscribe.
Share, like, and subscribe.
on
Lifestyle Thrill.
Lifestyle Thrill. Yeah. Thank you.